Alright, hello বলে দাও বন্ধুগণ।
Hello. Hi Vivek.
This is our tea house in Machakola. And then we're almost getting ready to go out. Alright, we're ready to start our day, first day of trekking.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello, Prakashji.
Hi. We're heading towards Jagat.
Jagat.
Starting?
First day.
First day. প্রথম সারা
Oh, there. Honey. We are almost at Jagat.
Come and go, come and go, come and go.
नमस्ते चॉकलेट खत्म हो गया क्या हुआ नवीन
Good, good. This place is good to sit now.
This is one of many bridges that we crossed today. Hopefully it's the last one, I guess. These beautiful waterfalls. Got down. And then the valley. See if we can go up now. Oh, wow. And there is the valley again. Alright, day 2. Here we go. Mr. Prakash.
We are going to Dang.
We're going to Dang, very excited.
Very excited. Mr. Devjit.
Yeah, even I am looking forward
You're
for a
looking
great day
forward.
of trek.
Alright.
Today we don't have landslide zones,
So hopefully we won't
hopefully
get
we'll
killed.
have a better experience than yesterday.
Yeah.
And in case you find something similar, please do capture. You forward it last time. So capture the landslide zones so people would understand how difficult it is. Although it's not high
Yeah,
altitude, but it's difficult.
No.
Take care, buddy.
Okay. Alright, so looks like, yeah, this time today hopefully we'll have a little bit less risky trekking. Alright, we are leaving Jagat. On the way, beautiful sunny day. Leaving the river and the valley. New beauty lies ahead. We'll see, I can see there's a beautiful waterfalls again up ahead. Yeah.
Can you see that force?
I know.
Water.
Look at that. Right, we reached a village. Some village on the way. Lots of ponies. We are just resting. There's a beautiful backdrop of white mountain. Looks like it's a trading post. They're being prepped for transporting stuff like rice, lentil and stuff. And that's where there's a beautiful mountain up there. Alright, we now came off-road and taking a trail to our midway break point, which is about an hour and a half or 2 hours from here. It's called Pisha Pani. I guess that's where we'll probably have some lunch. And that's the bridge that we'll be crossing to go on the other side of the river. Alright, that's all for now. It's a bumpy trail, so I'm going to turn this off and focus on my trail. So that alright, we are going downhill, a down trail, and then now we have this beautiful shallow river valley that I thought I'll probably capture it again. Devjit ahead of us, and really rocky valley, and that's the double-decker bridge. You see there are 2 layers. Looks like we'll probably be taking the lower level, and both are functional, which is interesting. So yeah, catch back in later. Sorry, yeah, we are taking that bridge. This is the shallow bridge shallow river that I was trying to mention, so I thought I'll capture that back again. Really shallow, a lot of good rock formation, and then there's a beautiful mountain in the back trying to peek out of the cloud. Alright, take care. I just made a quick stop for a tea break. We had tea, Coke. You can see Coke right under his leg. Finish the tea. Devjit is chillaxing. Tea shop. Beautiful valley. Alright, we just finished our lunch break and now we are on our way to Dang. Krishnandu is up ahead, and then there's a beautiful trail with probably lots of waterfalls here. Further up is a small tiny village, and it also looks like, but hopefully it looks like it's going to be 3 hours or maybe 4 hours hike at our speed. So we'll check back in at some point. So yeah. Beautiful valley, mountain and waterfalls. There's a waterfalls up ahead. It's actually falling into the river. So pretty, just breathtaking view. Alright, started again. Chris's signature pose for this beautiful, magnificent waterfall. Alright, they say this bridge is apparently very popular in Manaslu Circuit Trek. Lots of websites, they have this bridge picture, so I figured that how could I not capture this bridge. So let's cross the bridge. Beautiful river again, lovely, beautiful river this side, and then Krishnendu is sitting on the other side of the bridge. Oh, it's very windy. It's really windy. Oh my god. I feel like my cap is going to fly away. I don't want that. That's the only cap I have. Alright, I'm going to turn it off now. Seems like lots of rocks have slide down. This is a tricky trail. Oh, not much of a trail, but more of a makeshift. Lots of rocks scrambling. This is start of our day 3. We are in Pewa, and just before Dang. We couldn't make it to Dang yesterday because it got dark. We spent a lot of time in check post. So I think we'll have to make that up today. We are just eating our breakfast. This is oat porridge with apple, lemon ginger tea, which I finished it like gulping quickly. Chris is still working on his.
And then
Hello.
speak also there.
Is also eating some gulum bread. Thanks.
Hello.
And that's Prakash is drinking lemon tea with
Honey, yeah.
Alright. We'll check back in when we about to start our trek. For now, see ya.